Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a very quick apartment tour, and it's not a full apartment tour because, as I mentioned in my last video, my apartment is not complete yet, and you'll see that as I show you different areas. There are definitely things that I need to buy and things that I need to fix. But I thought it would be fun to do kind of like a before, and then once everything is finished, I can show you what it looks like as a complete apartment. So the lighting is really bad because the first thing I will say is, if you didn't watch my last video, I live in a basement apartment, and I know that not every country has basements. Like, houses are sometimes just built on the ground level, but a basement apartment just means that it's the lower level, or the like the part underneath the house. So some houses are like built below ground, and so that's what I am in. So I'm in front of a window right now, but in the rest of the apartment, the windows are at the very top of the ceiling because I'm below ground. With that aside, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is me in the middle of editing the video, and I realized that I should let you know that these clips were filmed about a month ago, and like I said before, I've been very busy with both of my jobs, and so I'm just getting around to editing it now. So I actually do have furniture. You can see the couch that I'm sitting on right now, and so I'm going to film an updated tour, but I wanted to upload this anyway to give you the before, and then there's like going to be a little bit of a transformation with the after. But I've also just ordered a ring light, and so you can tell the lighting is quite awful right now. Hopefully it'll be better in my next video. So just a little disclaimer before you start watching. So I'm starting at the entryway here. So this is my front door, which is really the back door to the house. And here, I wish there was a way to zoom out. Ah, there we go. Here I have just some some little wall hooks that I keep my coats and things on, and masks. It's very disorganized right now because I've been switching coats because in Canada every day is a different season. And then I have my shoes here, which I'm going to look for a shoe rack to go here so it's not all spread out, and that's just to store my recycling, and those are shoes that I need to get rid of. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. So it's basically one open living space. So I don't have a couch right now or any living room furniture, so I just have my workout stuff out so I can just use it every morning. I don't have to put it away every single time, but that is clearly not permanent. But anyway, we'll start over here in the kitchen area, and I will turn the light on. So this is what the kitchen looks like. The cupboards are my favorite part. You can't really tell in this lighting, but they are blue, and I really love that. So maybe if I switch, you can see. You can kind of tell there. They are blue. Yeah, it's just like an open kitchen, and then I have, ignore my paint supplies, I have my pantry over here, and my fridge is here. So that's what that looks like, and this is the window that I was filming in front of at the beginning of the video. So the house is built on a hill, so this part of the apartment I have like a ground level walkout, but as we move back into the apartment, it is actually below ground. This is the living and eating area. The kitchen table and chairs were actually my Oma and Opa's. They are from the 60s or 70s, I think. And it's all teak furniture, which is really cool. I just got them reupholstered. If I can find a picture of the before, I will insert it now. They were neon orange, which is really funny. And I also got this from them, which is a teak side table. So I'm using that as like an entertainment unit. And this is my TV. I have so many, these are the only two real plants that I have. Everything else is fake. I got them from IKEA, and I need to get more pots because you could see that one over there too. Doesn't actually have a plant pot, but yeah. So the windows over here are actually all the way at the top, and it's like 5 p.m. now, so I'm not even gonna bother opening the curtains. I just got home from work. And this lamp is also from my Oma and Opa. I just got a shade for it, And this is probably where I'm going to put a couch, or I might move this entertainment unit over there and then put a couch here. I haven't decided yet. And then this is what it looks like from this side. I just have an extra dining chair over there. Originally, I had this table coming out lengthwise, and the other day I switched it just to see what it would look like. I can't decide what I like better. It might be easier to tell when I have the couch and the other furniture. So that's that for now. So over here, this is just the furnace closet. You might be able to hear it in the background. So there's nothing that I actually store in there. I never need to open that, so I could always put like furniture against it. This is a pile of things that I need to deal with. Any of you who have moved probably end up with a pile like this of just stuff. These are actually stacking or nesting side tables, but I'm not using them because I don't have any furniture to use side tables for right now, so they're just here for now. Over here is a storage closet. So I'll show you what that looks like. Ignore this. This is a shirt that I ripped, and this is my running belt. Just random things. So it's not really organized right now, but I have like a little coat hook over here for my robes and bags. That's a door into the furnace closet that you saw over there. And I actually keep all of my running clothes in here. So that's really nice to keep them all in one space. I have some extra bedding over here for when I have a couch if somebody stays over. And this is just a pile of stuff that I need to deal with. I really need to get a shoe rack for in here too because I have more shoes. I have a bunch of cleaning supplies that I will eventually hang from this wall, just using some command hooks. But yeah, for now, that's what it looks like. So beside the storage closet, we have the bathroom, which looks like this. I really like the bathroom. Has a shower, which is pretty large. And then the vanity, which is also blue. You can see it a little bit better in here, but it's the same color as in the kitchen, which is great because I love it. And then over here I have you can see me in the reflection, my washer, my dryer, and my product storage. Way too many products. Then outside is my bedroom, which please ignore my entire desk area. It's a complete mess right now, but this is what my room looks like so far. Please remember as I show you everything that nothing is done. Let me turn this light on. Okay, so it looks a little bit better with all of the lights on now. So this is my bed, and it came with these really cool built-ins. So these are the closets that I use for my regular clothes. This side I use for work clothes, this side I use for just casual clothes. And then there's just some decor at the top. I really don't like the way that it looks right now, but I'm not buying any decor until I have all of my furniture picked out, and then I will go to town decorating. I have this mirror here, which I have not hung, and I don't love the color of it. I don't think it really goes with the room, but my sister already had it and she didn't want it, so she gave it to me. You can only see part of me in here. This cabinet, if you've been watching me for a long time, you might remember from my old room. It used to be turquoise. I painted it a dark green and changed the hardware to just a little gold knob. This lamp is not staying here. It's just temporary. My mom is loaning it to me because the lighting in here is pretty dim without it. And then that brings me to my desk, which is just a mess right now. I work part-time on the side of my full-time job, freelancing, so it's just, ugh. But the desk is one of my favorite things. It's actually an old desk. I bought it secondhand. I think it's from the 70s as well. And my mom repainted it for me because I bought it just before I got my new job and moved, and I didn't have time to paint it. So she painted it for me. And then I got gold hardware for that as well. And then that is my makeup cart. I need to deal with that. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like having my makeup all exposed. I might try to fit it into my desk drawers. I don't know. So there's a final look of my bedroom. So that is my full apartment tour before my apartment is actually finished. There are so many things that I want to buy. I did order my couch, it's coming from Article, so that'll come in, I think, the middle of April is when it's supposed to arrive. So as I buy new things and get it all sorted out, it will become ready for me to show you the final product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it wasn't too long, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!